This is how you make a delicious salad. Red bell pepper, some red onion, iceberg lettuce. I got spinach, celery, and I just tossed this all together. Look at the size of that bowl. And then the dressing. Look at this dressing. Literally empty that out. And this dressing has red hot chili, red onion, persimmon, avocado. What else did I put in here? A bit of celery, a bit of spinach inside of that too. Oh, and cherry tomatoes. Yummy for your tummy. Let's taste this. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, can you see this? When you make your dressing, you've gotta like, get a big spoon. These spoons help a lot. Just smash it in. This will ground you. Lots of minerals. Lots of natural sources of sodium, aka celery, spinach, and tomato in particular. Anti-parasitic chili, anti-parasitic raw onion. We're not technically designed to eat this sort of stuff, but we're very ill. Our environment is very stressful. And we've got some bugs and stuff in our stomach. Oh, there's watercress here too, look at that. Alright. Anybody joining? Nobody? Okay. Can you see how this is a bit too wet? I'm gonna add more iceberg lettuce into this. But let me taste this. It's creamy. Oh, red onion. It's not about don't like them. We're not designed to eat them, and they apparently make you stink. But I've realized that I've been not craving them, but they really, really help the salad dressing. And I just realized, like, if I'm mostly on juices, I have exotic fruits and a few smoothies, and I want to have a salad, and I need grounding, I want to avoid all the cooked food around me, and I move out the bugs out my stomach. Ain't gonna hurt to have a bit of red onion in your dressing, you get what I mean? I don't know why I'm craving spice. I must have bugs in me. But anyway, yep. Ideally I wouldn't be eating this, I'd have a durian, but you do the best you can where you are and what you got.